This is Nancy. She runs a hospital, and she's good at it. Her main focus is on patients, to provide the best care, services, and doctors that she can, and the patients love it. But there's another side to her job, managing the business of the hospital. And that's where Nancy faces big challenges. Healthcare is becoming more complex every day. Costs are rising, reimbursements are falling, and in the face of all this, Nancy has to find a way to continually contain expenses while maintaining quality. The odds are heavily stacked against her. She's an underdog. Have you seen Rocky? It's kind of like that. And in order for Nancy to beat her opponent, she needs help. She needs to unlock a solution. The hospital produces tons of data, but too often she can't use it to find exactly what she needs. It's in silos and it's not reliable. If she wants to know the cost of lab tests, she gets a report on it from the lab, but it doesn't match the report on it from the finance department. If she needs to make a decision about clinical staffing, she gets one report from HR and a conflicting report from the clinical department. It's always the same problem. She can't seem to put all of her data together in a way that helps her run the business more efficiently. She needs analytics to help her make sense of her data. But Nancy thinks analytics is reserved for bigger institutions. She thinks it's an impossible dream. Like Rocky beating Apollo Creed. So she's stuck, with happy patients on one side and financial woes on the other. But what if Nancy had a partner that could connect the dots? One that could help her see things in a different way, kind of like Rocky's trainer did for him. She talks to some of her peers, and they recommend Healthcare DataWorks. The people there understand what she's going through. They've worked in healthcare for years, and they're dedicated to the industry. They quickly get her ready to face the big challenge. Remember the training montage? Cue the music. It starts with a pre-built analytics model, one that's designed specifically for healthcare. They work together to implement HCD's Enterprise Data Warehouse, Knowledge Edge. It's a unified system that gets rid of all the silos, collects data, organizes it, and turns it into reports. Reports that give Nancy the knowledge she needs to run her hospital better. Now, if she needs to know the cost of lab tests, she can find out, quickly. If she needs to make a staffing decision, she can do it confidently, knowing that her actions are supported by reliable knowledge. With Knowledge Edge's analytics, Nancy has the power to run her hospital more efficiently. She saves cost on supplies, procedures, equipment, and maintenance. She saves time by getting the information she needs when she needs it. And she saves lives by freeing up doctors to do what they do best. So, in the end, Nancy overcomes the odds and emerges victorious over her big challenge. She wins. So I guess this is more like Rocky 2, really. Nancy used to think analytics was out of her reach, that it wasn't for her. But with Healthcare DataWorks, analytics is for Nancy. In fact, analytics is for everyone.